What's up guys? Today's video ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano makuha yung Layla emote. Exclusive lang to guys. Pero bago ang lahat, kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, baka naman. Ito guys, punta lang kayo sa TikTok nyo and papalo na rin ako. Tala kayo ng settings, then add account. Yan, marami kayong pagpipilian dito. Pwedeng Facebook, Google. Pero bago nyo yan piliin guys, palitan nyo muna yung by continue with account location. Yan, gawin nyo siyang Indo guys. Pindutin nyo lang, gawin nyo lang Indo. Yan. Search nyo lang Indo. After nyan, pwede na kayong mag-login. Nasa sa inyo kung anong ilalagin nyo. Facebook, Google. Dito guys, pag nakapag-login na kayo guys, mag-sign up lang kayo dito ng birthday nyo. Kahit ano guys, kahit anong birthday nyo ilagay nyo, hindi nyo birthday, basta mag-sign up lang kayo dito. Wala namang problema yan eh. Ayan, katulad ng ginagawa ko, hula-hula lang tayo dyan guys. Dito guys, after nyo mag-sign up ng birthday nyo guys, maglagay lang kayo ng kahit anong name dito. Sa akin, ilalagay ko tutorial kasi tutorial video natin to guys. After nyo pala makagawa ng account guys, wag muna kayo pupunta sa search bar at i-search yung MLBB sa Love 8 kasi iba yung lalabas dyan guys. At kung wala ka pang ganyan emote guys, meron akong tutorial dyan sa YouTube, pakitignan na lang. Maraming salamat. Ganito gawin nyo guys, search nyo lang Mobile Legends Malaysia, tapos click nyo yung link na yan nasa ibaba. Tapos direct na kayo mapupunta nyan sa mga task. At kung mapapansin nyo, my points is 0 pa lang. Gagawin nyo lang yung mga task dito gaya nung mga nakaraan kong video. Papakita ko din sa inyo kung paano ito ginagawa at napakadali lang. Panoorin nyo na lang yung mga video guys. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, hindi ko pa siya nakukuha. Ngayon pa lang natin kukuhanin yan guys para malaman nyo na legit yung gagawin ko yan. I-like nyo lang din yung mga video ni Muntun. Kagaya nyan. Panoorin nyo na lang guys para mas maintindihan nyo. Dito guys, after nyo matapos lahat ng mga tasks, ayan, may 50 points na ako. I-redeem nyo na yan guys. Ayan, nasa may Layla na yan. Yan, 50 points redemption. Submit nyo na yan dyan. Tapos punta lang kayo sa my reward. Yan, makikita nyo na yung code dyan. I-copy nyo lang yan guys. Yan, copy nyo lang lagi. Dapat yan. After nyo makopy guys, wag nyo gagawin to gaya nung nasa video. Gaya nung ginawa ko. Wait natin mag-loading yan. Yung after nyo makuha yung code, i-redeem nyo agad. Wag nyo gagawin yan guys. Kasi hindi gagana yan. Ako nagsasabi sa inyo. Tignan nyo yung nasa video. Tignan nyo yung gagawin ko rito. Sobrang excited ka nun. Gusto ko na agad siyang i-redeem. Ayan, i-redeem na natin siya. Ayan. Tingnan nyo guys. Diba? Hindi siya pwede. Ganito lang gawin nyo guys, punta lang kayo ng Play Store, tapos i-search nyo VPN Indonesia. Scroll nyo lang pababa, tapos hanapin nyo lang yung VPN Indonesia na ito guys, yan, yung click ko yan. I-download nyo yan guys, hintayin nyo lang siya ma-download, tapos after nyo siya ma-download, i-open nyo na agad guys. Panoorin nyo na lang hanggang dulo guys. Wag nyo skip yung step by step tutorial guys para hindi kayo malito sa mga gagawin.
Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Girl, you got me shook from the way your body looks. Got me riding hooks, got me feeling like a rook. I don't do it by the book, but for you I'll take a look. Don't know what your mama took, sweet and spicy like a cook, yeah. I'll keep it real, let's make a deal. Buy you a meal if you just let me feel. Get out your heels, grab on the wheel. Back to my place at the top of the hill. Don't have regrets, I know what's next. She need a fresh, I'll be back in a sec. Look at them legs, don't make me beg. Back to the room, let me show you my bed. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. I could look at you all day, watch the way them hips sway. Love your body, so I pray, don't you dare take it away. Can't control what I say, lost my mind cause your frame. Hey girl, what's your name? Lit me up just like a flame. Body in motion, I feel the commotion. Beyond you like lotion, I'm honest and broken. I flow like the ocean, I feel you were chosen to fix me, I'm broken. My heart that you stolen, hey. Stay with me, play with me, lay with me. Hate to see when you leave, chemistry feels like it's destiny. I just want you laying next to me, and I really don't want you to ever leave. On your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb.
Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! Troops deployed! Evil shall be driven from this land!
Iiyak na yan!
An unyielding beast can only be tamed by an unyielding soul. Burning fields!